Black fungus, the new terror. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Hitesh Talreja. I'm a dentist based in Dhule, Maharashtra. I'm making this video because I know India has suffered a lot in past due to ignorance when it was COVID. And I want us now to reunite and fight against mucormycosis together. By default, being a diabetic capital of world, India is suspected to be mucormycosis capital of the world too. The ratio of cases between world versus India is almost 3:7. The mortality rate of mucormycosis is almost more than 50%. This is what makes it more deadly. Now moving forward to what actual mucormycosis is. Mucormycosis is a very rare life-threatening fungal infection that is caused by the moles found in soil, organic matter and wet surfaces. It is an angio-invasive disease that causes occlusion of small to large size pulmonary arteries, which causes ischemia, infarcts, thrombosis and necrosis, which includes mainly dry gangrene. Now that you know what is mucormycosis, the second doubt that arises in your mind is, does it have a connection with COVID-19? Well, yes, you have heard it right. The COVID-19 patients do have incidence, more incidence of having mucormycosis because they were under influence of steroids, ventilation, oxygen therapy, XYZ. So this leads to this usually lower downs the immunity of that patients, and that makes the way for fungus to grow. Now that you know what mucormycosis is, let's move forward to signs and symptoms. This disease generally manifests as extraoral and intraoral symptoms. Extraoral symptoms includes facial swelling, paresthesia, bloody discharge from nose, sinusitis, blurry vision, restricted eye movement, respiratory symptoms such as difficulty in breathing and cough. Moving forward to intraoral symptoms, they includes loosening of tooth, necrosed palate, ulceration and dark patches on the palate. It also includes halitosis due to formation of the sinus tract. Now talking about who are at major risk of getting mucormycosis. As discussed earlier, the COVID patients are at most risk for getting mucormycosis. Who else can get mucormycosis? The other patients who can get mucormycosis are the persons who have comorbid conditions such as malignancies, post-transplant and immunosuppressive diseases such as HIV. People who also have hematological disorders such as iron overload are suspected to get mucormycosis. The next point that we're going to talk about is prevention. This point is very important to understand because at this present in India, prevention is our only defense. So try to understand this point very clearly. Prevention, first thing that you have to understand is this disease is non-contagious. That means it is a relief. Being non-contagious, you need to understand if you ever experience this disease, what you need to do is early diagnosis and intervention. Visit a dentist, visit a general physician, go get it checked if you really have mucormycosis. Other preventions that you can do is wear mask regularly, wear full trousers when you go out, proper oral hygiene maintenance and proper health maintenance. Keep your nutrition and immunity level boosted up. That's enough to get prevented. Now suppose if you really do experience mucormycosis and you're moving forward to the treatment aspect of mucormycosis. Well, treatment aspect is divided into medicinal treatment, home care treatment, and in worsened conditions you have to also need surgery. So medicinal treatment includes the first line treatment drugs that they includes are amphotericin B for generally 2 to 3 weeks, and if this doesn't work, the second line treatment includes the azole derivatives. Home care treatment that you can do is maintain sugar level, maintain your personal hygiene such as bath, scrub, and in worsened conditions it can also lead to surgery that includes debridement of the infected part. It may also includes maxillectomy or endoscopic removal of the fungus. What is a take-home message from our video? The take-home message are 5 things that you have to take home. The first thing that you have to take home is control your diabetes or keep your diabetes under maintenance. The second thing that you maintain is if you are ever on steroid treatment or you were on steroid treatment, take it judicially or stop it. Third important thing that you note is maintain your oral hygiene, maintain your personal health and immunity. Fourth is wear mask all the time. Last but not the least, if you ever detect yourself a mucormycosis patient, get it diagnosis and get it early treatment.